as you can see. Don't know what is going to happen. It's about 27 degrees out. Might be a little colder. But we have a north wind, so that's good. And we'll see what happens. So during rifle season, I usually hunt for meat. I don't see big bucks. So it's more about just going out and getting meat. Hey guys, so it happened really quick. Like 5 doe just came behind me on the hill. I had no time to do anything other than shoot. Big doe. Big doe. Thank you. Thank you. All right, Ben just texted me. He's coming from the south, that way, on a four-wheeler, to push something. We'll see what happens. It is 1:30. Here we go. Alright, so Ben just kicked up 9 deer. I saw 3. I think I got it on the GoPro, but it's going to be looking pretty far. So anyway, he just sent 9 across the dam. I asked him if he saw a buck. He didn't respond, but he's driving. I could have shot 2 more easily, but I only have 1 toe tag. So it worked, but there wasn't a buck that I could see. He may have saw one, I don't know. So now I think the plan is, he's gonna go north and come south, which hopefully he pushes my way. What time is it? It's 2:01. Let's see what happens. Jet lips. What is this over here? Looks like a herp. What the hell's that? We'll cut up. Alright. Safe sex. No herpes. Alright. Bye-bye. Hey guys, well, now's the fun part. We're dragging out. It's after 3, almost 4. Should be hunting, but I knew that I was gonna have. I knew that I would have a drag. It's not far, but it's far enough. So if I get home in time, hang her up, and then come back tomorrow.